Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a background to text in Canva. Adding a background behind your text can help it stand out and make your design easier to read. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, we will add a heading as our example text. Now we will add a background to it. To add a background, we need to add an element, like a shape. We will use this shape as the background for our text. Now we can customize it. We will change the color of the shape. Let's go with this color. As you can see, we now have a colored background sitting behind our text. We can also group the text and shape together, so we can move and resize them at the same time. And if needed, we can adjust the transparency of the shape. That's how we add a background to text in Canva. Simple and effective. And that's it. You've successfully added a background to your text in Canva. Now your design looks more eye-catching and professional.